A little bit of a dilemma, as my bracket broke that would hold my phone to my tripod. There's a fish. Small, but it's fish. That's okay. We had absolute slabs here yesterday. Oh, who's in here? James, hey buddy. My little bracket broke that holds my camera to the tripod. Not this bracket's fault, it's my fault. I pulled on it too hard. So I'm having to lay the phone up against a brick. It could be a little further out today. They may have went a little deeper because of the weather drop. There's one. Hey, that's not bad at all. I mean, that's a keeper. It's not a slab, but well, son of a bitch. Come on now. Well, is the downfall from not having my tripod, because I can't get it up high enough. And it'd be sketchy to put it somewhere. Here's a small fish. Too sketchy to put it somewhere up high here. Tell you what, for an ultralight rod, this thing casts really well. It's nothing special about the, I mean, the reel is an ugly stick reel, but it casts. Yeah, the picture may be a little crooked. I can't do much about that because it's leaning up against a crooked brick. Oh, come on. Oh, there's a little wibbly. Huh. Not what I'm after. Hey, stop. Stop. Man, don't make me. I'm gonna have to grab him. I don't want to get my hands all wet, but there we go. Get out of here, fish. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't. There's a fish. All right, gonna show it to you folks. Oh, come here, you. There we go. Little white crappie. All right, back in the water. Back to fishing. There comes one. Hey, there's a good eater for us. Let me bring it over. Perfect size to eat. Oh, come here, you. There we go. Good edible crappie. All right, back in it goes. And go back over and try again. I was out here for my birthday yesterday, sharing it with my watchers, my angling friends. There's a fish. Feels like a better one. That's not bad. That's an eater. Let me show ya. Definitely take a fillet knife to that one. There we go. In the water, because I didn't bring a bucket. Anybody watching that hasn't subscribed, if you like fishing, I'd appreciate you subscribing to the channel to help out. It don't cost you anything, and the support helps me. Maybe one day I'll make $1 from YouTube. Here comes one from the depths. Judgment call on eating it. If you love fish, you might eat this one, you might not. You get fillets off of it, I know I would. Back he goes though. I mean, have a few thousand eggs, and when they hatch, they look like a food source. Here comes one that's not bad. And they're loaded right here in front of this dock. They're just home sweet home right there for the moment. Yesterday they were beside the dock. Today they're in front of it. There we go, not a slab, but nice fish. I mean, that's a fat 10, maybe an 11. Oh, come on. They're tearing up this bait. Again, it's the split tail crappie magnet glow pop color on a 16th ounce jig head. I'm just dropping this line in and dragging it close to the bottom, and they're just under there wanting to eat. There's what we got here. I'll show it to you, but it's not a big guy like some of the others. It's a white crappie, medium size, a little small. Doesn't really deserve any tribute. Maybe next fall it will. In the meantime, we'll let it go back and eat and get bigger. Come on. Oh, there it is. Don't be lazy, fish. Jump on it. Got one? Yeah, we got one. That's an eater. Yeah, maybe. Judgment call. The lake wouldn't suffer if you ate this one. It's a little skinny for this time of year, but it will fatten up. There you go. But don't matter if it's edible or not, because it's going back today. They all go back today. It's their lucky day. Let's see if there's anything along the side of this dock here. Here, I even get, there you can see my back. I don't really seem to care too much about this side of the dock, but there'll be smaller fish there a lot. Yeah, there's something, yeah, smaller fish. Smaller fish. Just a little one. See, just a small guy or girl. I don't know which. I only like to hang around the corners of these docks too. That's the ones you can lure out real good. We'll see if it happens. Yep. Well, it happened, but lost it. Hey, gentlemen. Got it? Yep. Yeah, small black crappie. Black crappie run pretty small in this lake. Well, one good thing about my tripod not holding the phone, I'm getting exercise walking back and forth. There we go. Switch down there to another dock here in a second. I've had fun here, but unless this is a great big fish. Hey, there's a good perfect eater. I mean, that right there, you take 2 fillets off that, add you some tartar sauce, add you some cheese, put it on a bun, you got a great sandwich right there. That's a big thick fish sandwich. All right, back in the water. Oh, here comes a fish. That's a little black crappie. I'll go over here and show you. Maybe. Stop. 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 All right. There we go. And you're going to throw it back because he ain't much. What we got here? Yeah, we got a tiny one. That's what we got. When they're this small, they're cute. When they get bigger, they're tasty. Big difference. Hey there, Stacy. It is Stacy, right? Yeah. Little crappie, but we've had some good ones. Still connected, yeah. I know I'm far away from the camera. If I nail a good one, I'll bring it over there. Nope. Come on now. Yeah, it's not a special fish by any means. I'll still show it to y'all. It's good exercise to walk back over to the phone. There we go. Yeah, hitting the docks, man. It's not been bad. I mean, I did this yesterday and today, and I've caught some pretty nice fish doing it. Had trouble keeping a connection today, and my little bracket that holds my cell phone to the tripod snapped, so I've got to lean it up against a brick. I don't have much portability with it to keep a connection. Got another bracket at home, but I didn't want to drive all the way back home to get it. There comes a small fish. Little black crappie. That's bait. Stacy would take this and catch a big old catfish with it. Yep, there we go. Stacy, you'd call that bait. Heck of no water.